Morkunaite, entschuldigen Sie, für eine Minute, bitte sehr.
Thank you, Mrs. Chairwoman. At this time, it is important to consider carefully and strike a right balance between both European neighbourhood policy vectors. The ENP should become more flexible, proactive and optimised. If we want to create an area of stability, shared values and progress surrounding Europe, firstly, we should limit ourselves no more by predefined quotas. The financial assistance should be balanced according to the political involvement and the will to move closer to the EU values, freedoms and standards. It should be result-oriented, tied to objective and clear criteria of democratisation and progress achieved in reforms. Secondly, we should consider creating a rapid reaction tool within the ENP for prompt and flexible response to political changes in partner countries as recently in the southern neighbourhood. Thirdly, attractiveness of the EU assistance is also important. Simplification of EU funds allocation procedures, active sharing of expertise by the Member States at the early stages of programming would be additional incentive. Thank you.
Herzlichen Dank. Jetzt erhält das Wort Frau Țicău. Bitte schön.
Eu vin din Galați, un oraș din România care se află la granița Uniunii Europene cu Republica Moldova și cu Ucraina și de aceea am să mă refer la revizuirea politicii de vecinătate, dar la dimensiunea estică. Subliniez importanța